नॉन फाइनाइट्स जिसमें मैक्सिमम बच्चे कंफ्यूज होते हैं. सो टुडे वी विल जस्ट मेक इट वेरी सिंपल. Verb is of two types, finite, non-finite. Now the question arises, what is finite verb, what is non-finite verb? So the verb which changes according to subject, like he goes, they go, or according to tense. In present tense, goes or go, and in past tense, went. So the verb which changes according to subject or tense, जो tense या subject के अनुसार change हो, that will be called finite verb. And the verb which does not change according to tense or subject, that is called non-finite verb. Like for instance here, he wants to go to the market, they want to go to the market, they wanted to go to the market. To go is not changing in any. अब यहाँ subject change हो रहा है, tense change हो रहा है, लेकिन to go नहीं change हुआ. इसमें क्या हुआ कि ये change हो जा रहा था. तो where the verb will change, that will come under, or that will be called finite verb, and where verb does not change, that will be called non-finite verb. Non-finite verb के तीन type होते हैं और इसके तीन group होते हैं, that is infinitive, participle and gerund. So let us study infinitive first. Infinitive में क्या होता है? 2 plus V1. 2 plus V1. Like I want to help everybody. सबके help करना चाहते हैं. The manager refused to return her salary. Refused to return her salary. अब एक तो हुआ infinitive 2 plus V1. एक होता है bare infinitive. Bare infinitive means infinitive without to. मतलब V1 तो होगा लेकिन उसके पहले to का प्रयोग नहीं होगा. और किस वर्ब के बाद ऐसा होता है? You need to remember the verbs like let, make, bid, dare not, need not. Like let me go, he made me dance, right? He dare not smoke anywhere, I need not go there. तो ये need not के बाद, dare not के बाद, make के बाद, let के बाद, when verb will be used, तो it will be used without to, will be called bare infinitive. See, like I saw him go, hear, I heard him speak, watch, know, feel, had better, would rather, sooner than, rather than. इनके बाद जो infinitive आएगा उसमें to नहीं लगेगा. Like you can see the example, let me leave, let me to leave we cannot say, let me leave or I'll miss my bus. मुझे जाने दो नहीं तो मेरे बस छूट जाएगी. I might be late, लेट हो सकता है. You needn't, I mean you need not wait for me for dinner. This sitar belongs to my father, I daren't touch it. ये मेरे पापा का है, मुझे हिम्मत नहीं इसको टच करने की. I saw all my friends get into the bus. To get into the bus won't be correct. I saw all my friends get into the bus. I heard him cry. मैंने उसे क्राई करते हुए देखा with pain. दर्द से कराते हुए देखा, रोते हुए देखा. सुना. It's getting dark. We had better stop this discussion. We had better to stop नहीं होगा. We had better stop this discussion. So here we can see that to is not used. Will be called bare infinitive. एक और भी होता है. Where you find TOO and to. इसमें थोड़ा सा समझना है. She is too intelligent to fail. मतलब वह इतना ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है कि वो फेल नहीं हो सकती. She is so intelligent that she cannot fail. Like he, अगर ये प्रेजेंट टेंस में होगा तो क्या करेंगे? to को हटाएंगे, so लगाएंगे, and then that, so that she is so intelligent that she cannot fail. प्रेजेंट टेंस है तो cannot, past tense होगा तो could not. Like he was too tired to go to see them off. इतना टायर्ड था कि उनको सी ऑफ करने के लिए नहीं जा सकता था. तो he was so tired that he couldn't or he could not go to see them off. So in short, we have understood, we have studied infinitive 2 plus V1, bare infinitive, infinitive without to, बिना to का V1 उसमें लगाएंगे. Now we'll see in the next video participle and gerund. Thank you.